This is the Tinbergen's approaches of working out. These are details from the essays 1 through 3, and of course it is by David Kenny Jennings. So in the introduction, since the start of time, being physically strong has been an important part of survival, such as hunting, gathering, and a big role in social status as well. Due to being more physically strong, you are probably a leader in your group compared to not as physically strong people. And Tinbergen's four-question approach designed a great framework to offer insights through working out. While working through Tinbergen's approaches, we gain a deeper understanding why fitness is not only important for your health, but it is also important for the evolution and biology of the history at this time. So the parts of the brain that are mentioned throughout the study are the prefrontal cortex, the amygdala, the basal ganglia, and the cerebellum. They all play a very important role with the evolution and the growth of fitness. So the motivation and the habit of working out, the PFC or the prefrontal cortex plays a big role in motivation because it acts as the brain's control center, allowing you to set goals and actions to achieve them. The amygdala and dopamine team up to give you the encouragement to exercise. The dopamine is the reward system that gives you the feedback that you want to keep working out. The motor cortex will send signals from the brain to the spinal cord to initiate reoccurring movements such as running, lifting weights, etc. And then in the midst of working out, adrenaline will be released, giving you that sort of high to keep working out. So growing into fitness, the genetic approach. It emphasizes how behaviors develop over a lifespan, growing from a kid all the way through an adult. The foundation of working out, though, is built through playtime, such as skills, running, jumping, like you're on a playground. The cerebellum plays a big role in the childhood development because it helps make more accurate movements through trial and error, such as playing football. You accidentally run a wrong route, you learn that for next time. Growing into the adolescence and adult, dopamine is released when participating in physical sports. That also includes puberty, in which you gain more testosterone, you get bigger physically, helping you get better at sports as well. The physiological changes such as testosterone also decrease as a result of no physical activity. That also plays in a role with your health too, with like eating, but for this sake it will be for working out, physical activity, fitness, everything like that. In the last of the Tinbergen's approach, we have evolution from survival to exercise. Physical behaviors were embedded in social and environmental factors. Social factors for, say, if you were more physically fit during the early time, let's just say like caveman era, if you were more physically fit, you probably had a higher societal status. More people wanted to be around you just so they know that they're safe and surrounded by a person who is very strong, and that can be a hunter and gatherer. Other than that, rather than humans, other animals such as monkeys exhibit fitness-like behavior, kind of like jumping around like you see in a zoo. They jump, climb trees. That helps with the prefrontal cortex. Evolution of our brains are introduced additional demands. They introduced additional demands, such as the dopamine reward system and the testosterone. Exercise also improves your cardiovascular health, which improves the blood flow, and exercising also decreases the risk of chronic illness.